For our piece today, I will use one thread 100% cotton. Maybe the width you prefer. As long as it is 100% cotton, I will use a 2.5mm needle. Let's start by making on the slide and on the sequence 41 chains. After making all the chains, I skip the first, and from the second stream, I insert the needle and look for the thread. I do this by 5 chains until you get 6 handles on the needle. Having the 6 handles on the needle, we're going to tie it back and go through it. Of all these one-time handles, after doing this, we will end the point by making a chain. This is the first point. Now I insert the needle right here into this space. From gully, I look for the wire. Here I will introduce the needle. Inside this last strap, from the first point, in this one. So I stick my needle in here and look for the thread. Now within the last worked current, I introduce the needle, I look for the wire. And in the next stream, inserting the needle looking for the wire. Again in the next stream, I introduce the needle, I look for the wire. I have a total of 6 handles on the needle. Now I loop and pull all the straps at once. After doing this, I end the second point by making a chain. Now we are going to repeat the whole process we did in the second. Point introduced into this chain loop, I seek wire. In the last loop of the previous point here, I insert the needle and search for wire. Within the last worked current, introducing the needle looking for wire. And into the next 2 chains, I introduce the needle, I seek wire. Inserting the needle looking for the wire. We are then left with a total of 6 handles on the needle. After, we have the 6 loop wire and pull straps all at once. I end the point by making a chain. Let's repeat this until just before the end. Ready, guys? I made all the points here. 1 chain left where we go to work. 1 double crochet. We finished the first row. For the next row, I will start with 2 chains. For half double crochet height, I turn the bow piece. I skip this first point. I come inside from the space of currents. Let's just work inside. From the space of the chains in the previous row. Then I insert the needle here, I look for the thread. Loop shot the 3 straps at once, forming a half double crochet. I come back to the same space and make another half double crochet. Loop, so I come here. Next, previous row point closure space. Work 2, half double crochet. Loop is like I skip a dot, and in the next space, made 2 half double crochet. So we're going to continue with this sequence until the end of the career. Soon we end up here. Left then, the beginning of the previous row stitch. I will compete here in the gully. And I will make a half double crochet by finishing the second lap. To continue, let's work 3 chains. I turn the piece. I skip the first chain. On Monday, inserting the needle looking for the wire. Next time inserting the needle, I look for the wire. Now, within the first half double crochet, I introduce wire search. In the next point, I introduce wire search. And at the next point, I introduce a needle and look for a thread. Then getting 6 handles on the needle. Loop shot all handles. I make a chain to finalize the first point. From here, we will repeat the instructions. We did in the first row the same way. Enter here at the last worked point. After 2 points. Ahead. To get 6 handles on the needle. I loop then and pull all the straps at once. I make a chain ending the point. I do this until the end. Coming here at the end. I'm going to tie the needle and work a double crochet. On the chain of the previous row. So after here we go. Repeat the half double crochet career and let's grow. Our piece. So I intersperse the rows, it looked like this. And here, I finished with the stitch row without the half double crochet. I made a perfect square here. With careers. And now we are going to make the part angle with single crochet. And here to do this, we're going to get the same amount of points. On each side, for that we are going to have to distribute the single crochet. So I'll start by making 1 single crochet. Here within that last point. From previous row, mark this first point. Now I will work on single crochet. Distributing these points until you get there at the other end. Let's stick with total here of 40. Single crochet, okay? So you count your points until you get there at the other end, where at the same point we are going to start another side of the piece. Also with 40 single crochet. So I'm putting it here in the row division, also within the points. And I'm counting my points. Ready? I got here in the part. From the tip where we will start one more side. And here I will start another side, making the first single crochet here at the last worked point. And this point I also mark. After doing this, we will keep doing single crochet until we get there at the other end. And if necessary, make 2 single crochet at the same point to get 40 single crochet on each one side. So I got here at the end. And here at the very last point, we're going to start one more way. Here at the other end, in the same way. And here at the top, distribute the dots. And you can make 2 single crochet also at the same point to get 40 points on each one side. Ready after finishing. This finish with single crochet, my piece was measuring 17 centimeters. For 16 and a little bit, it's 16 and a half. So to continue, you will make another piece exactly the same. We'll do the wire finish. And let's join the two pieces together. You can also make only one piece if you prefer. So here I had already finished my first piece. And we will look. Exactly. The same side, put the same side here. Up, placing verse if verse. You can put the markers here at the exact points, so you don't miss the count if you prefer. And here, we will close our piece, join the two pieces with B dots as well. Start. So here on the last piece worked, making a chain, I insert the needle on the first point, and I do this with both parts. So I teach one point here in the same position and work one single crochet. Ready after making this first single crochet, we are going to score. And let's proceed by making only one single crochet for each base point. So in a very simple way, you can use the profiles on the tips as I had said, and will work only one single crochet for each point on the base throughout the piece. I got here at the end, I cut my thread because I'm going to do a color change. I do this finish that I have already shown several times here on the channel, jumping one of the points and simulating the closure here. You can also end with slip stitch in case you prefer it. So here to do the finishing, it's very simple. I started with 2 chains, then a slip stitch, a chain through each of the points of. Make a slip stitch, then a chain, a slip stitch. After 1 chain, and at first you make 2 streams, and continues in this way without skipping any of the points. Here at the end, we are going to make 1 strap to hold. So I'm going to start here making 1 turf. Come back to the same worked point. I make 1 slip stitch. And let's keep making a 2. Loop the wire by introducing the needle into the first chain and work a half double crochet. After doing this, I make 2 chains and 1/2 double crochet in the first stream. I make 2 chains again, 1/2 double crochet in the first stream. And let's do this until we have one good handle. And here you can repeat how many times you want to. Now I will insert the needle into the first stitch. Make a slip stitch, a gully. Leaves an extra amount of yarn to do the finishing. Pull well, and this leftover, I'm going to wrap here by the strap. To make one best finish here, from the beginning of the strap, it's then I pass here, oh. I do a few laps, then let's do the final finish. With tapestry needle, here at the end, I will put on the tapestry needle. And I'll pass through here inside these turns. From top to bottom. Pull well regular. And I do the final finish from leftovers of wire you can also give. And finish these tips. So girls, this is the result of our crochet piece today. This beautiful pen holder has double lining. Made 100% from cotton. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked it, don't forget to leave your like